So this is the most common area for scar tissue to accumulate in the human body. A lot of people get pain and symptoms like this from staring down at electronics or even working at a desk for a lot of years. And what happens is scar tissue accumulates. Scar tissue acts like glue in the muscle, preventing it from stretching and contracting like it needs to. So what we do at our office is very unique and specialized. We perform manual scar tissue release, and that actually breaks down the scar tissue, giving people permanent relief from their symptoms. So we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate what a pass looks like. So what we do is we find that area that has those knots, those tender spots, that has a lot of that scar tissue in it, and we take tension into the muscle, and then our assistant takes them through a very specific range of motion that helps break down that scar tissue. So the good news is scar tissue is completely reversible with expert treatment that we do at our office. Here at Peak Injury Solutions, our care is very specialized and unique, and it gets to the root cause of all these symptoms that people have in their upper traps and neck. So if you like what you saw, give us a like or give us a share. If you have any more questions, drop us a comment or send us a message to learn more. And if you want to know about how to become a potential patient, then click the link in the bio to learn more.